Envision this: a beachfront condo in Florida, your personal heaven on earth. But you must be wondering, how can you finance such a dream? First, it's important to comprehend the unique nature of condominiums in the world of real estate, which often necessitates specialized loans. While some lenders may hesitate, don't let this discourage you. Instead, explore your options. The classic path of traditional mortgages is always there. But did you know that the Federal Housing Administration offers loans specifically for condos? Yes, your dream is closer than you think. But it's noting that condo associations or elected boards may sometimes ask for larger down payments for condo purchases in certain buildings as a safeguard against default. This is because they generally need larger equity positions in purchases to secure the communal assets. The theory is that if a buyer has a significant amount of equity in the unit, they're less likely to default on their mortgage, decreasing the risk of unpaid association dues that could pose a financial burden on the rest of the unit holders and jeopardize the building's budget. Therefore, lenders necessitate a condo questionnaire to assess the budget and any legal action against the association. Government-backed loans like FHA and VA might require budgeted reserves and planned contributions to mitigate their risk. If you're thinking of buying a condo using a government-backed loan, ask your lender a list of buildings that are already FHA, VA approved. Since August 2019, lenders can also do single-unit approvals, allowing you to buy in a building that hasn't been FHA/VA approved yet. But make sure you thoroughly understand the single-unit approval process before committing. It's not always a walk in the park, and might require additional time and effort to get to the closing table. Remember, Florida's condo market is highly competitive. Hence, securing pre-approval for a loan to demonstrate your seriousness about your beachfront future is crucial. Don't overlook the homeowners association fees either. They're an integral part of condo life and could affect your budget. Financing your beachfront condo in Florida doesn't have to be akin to navigating a stormy sea. With the right information, adequate preparation, and the best lender, you'll be savoring the sun on your personal balcony sooner than you imagine. Dream big, plan smart, and your everyday reality could soon be your dream Florida. After all, that's an investment in your future worth making. This journey to your paradise is a step-by-step process. Stay informed, be ready, and you'll soon be embracing the Florida condo lifestyle. For a comprehensive list of your options, visit the Smarts section at Real-ativity.com, the site for intelligent real estate.